Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root of 1 by 3 times 1 by square root 2. So let's start with the today's video solution. So to eliminate the square root from the denominator, we can multiply with square root 2 in numerator as well as denominator. So it becomes square root of 2 by 3 times 2. So square root under square root by 6, or we can call it as square root 2 by square root 6. So we can write this as under root a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So we can write it as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 by 6 power 1 by 2. So it becomes 2 power 1 by 4 by 6 power 1 by 2. Now I am going to multiply with 6 power 1 by 2 in numerator as well as denominator. So it becomes, or we can write it as 4th root of 2 times square root of 6 by 6. So square root of 6, we can write it as 4th root of 6 square, because this is square and this square root multiplied to become 4th root and this is square. So we can replace this. By 6. So common we can write it as 4th root of 2 by 6 by 6 by 6. So 4th root of 72 by 6. This is our final answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.